What is up everybody, welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can download CapCut. Now CapCut is a video editing app and it's pretty simple. You might have seen some edits on TikTok linking to CapCut. Well, in order to use that link to edit a video, you need the CapCut app. And I will show you guys how you guys can get that app today. First step, you want to open App Store if you're using iPhone. If you're using Android, you want to go on Play Store, and where it says search at the top, the search bar, click on it and then just search for CapCut just like this. After you write CapCut like this, search for it. The first one where it says CapCut video editor, that is what we need, so we're just going to download it real quick and it's going to start downloading. You need to click on this cloud icon over here right beside CapCut to download it. Now in your case it might show you get, doesn't matter if it's get or the cloud icon, it does the same thing. Just click on it and it'll start to download. Now your download speed will depend on your internet speed. If it's fast, it'll download fast. If it's slow, it'll download slow. But once it downloads and install your CapCut, your CapCut's logo is going to appear outside on your phone like this. You can just click on it and it'll open and you can start using CapCut. How you guys can download CapCut for your PC or laptop without the need of BlueStack, alright? First step, you want to go to your search engine and write CapCut PC. Once you search for CapCut PC, you can see where it says www.capcut.com, which is the official website of CapCut. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to this page. Now once you're over here, you can see where it says download for Windows option. Click on it. Once you click on it, your CapCut will start to download and its download speed is gonna depend on your internet, alright? So let's wait for some time until it downloads, and after it finishes downloading, you can double click on it and it'll open up. Once it opens up like this, what you want to do is agree with CapCut, click on install now. But before that, you can click on more and click on browse and choose where you want to save it. So I want to save it over here on my this folder, so I'm gonna choose a path where I want it to be saved over here, and I can click on OK and I can click on install now and my CapCut will start to install. And once the installation is complete, your CapCut logo should appear over here at your desktop and you can just click on it to open it, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can download and install CapCut on your PC without any BlueStack needed. How you guys can install CapCut on your Android device. First step, you want to open your Play Store. So I'm going to click on Play Store to open it, because in Android you have to use Play Store. For iOS you have to use App Store, alright? So we want to download it for Android, so go on your Play Store and where it says search, you want to write CapCut. Once you search for CapCut, you want to click on install. Once you click on install, your CapCut will start to install and the installation time will depend on your Wi-Fi speed. My Wi-Fi is in the mid-range. It's not slow, it's not fast, so it's going to take me around 5 to 2 minutes for it to download, alright? But it purely depends on your Wi-Fi speed for you guys. Now, for those people who do not know CapCut, CapCut is a video editing software which allows you to edit videos on your phone. Just like in Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, you can also edit videos in CapCut. But Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve is available for PC, whereas CapCut is available for mobile. And you can also download CapCut and edit videos and post in TikTok directly from CapCut without having the CapCut's watermark at the end. But if you do not want to post it in TikTok, then there's going to be CapCut's watermark at the end, alright? So you need to keep that in mind. So once it's downloaded, just click on open and our CapCut should open up just like this. So yeah, that's how you guys can use CapCut. How you guys can add music on CapCut as well as adjust it, like for how long you want the music or like something like that, like when you want to start it, when you want to end it. First step, you want to click on versus new project because we want to edit a new video. So from your gallery, choose the video you want to edit. So I will go for this video and click on add at the bottom. So this is the video in which I want to add music. So first, in order to edit a music, you need to add a music. How you add a music? At the bottom, you can see this option called audio. As you guys can see, click on audio and click on versus sounds. Once you do that, it's going to take you to this place where you guys can search for music. You can also choose your own music. If you have, you can click on this folder icon to choose the music you have on your device, but I want to search for it, so I will just go on search at the top. As you guys can see, there's vlog, pop, beat, all the stuff. I will go for a vlog type music. Now there's tons of music over here, so I want to use this second music called Grammar Cultivator. First I have to download it, so I have to click on the download icon right beside the music. Once it's downloaded, you can see the plus icon right beside it. Click on the plus and the music will be added on your videos just like this. So right below my timeline, you can see this audio timeline. That's the music timeline. Now let's edit it. So let's say I want the music to start a bit late. What I can do is click on the audio timeline and then just at the edge of the audio timeline, you can see this little, dash button. Click on it and scroll it just like this. Just like this, you can, make the music appear later. So as you guys can see, For the first 4 seconds of my video, there will be no music, but after 4 seconds, the music will start to appear just like this, as you guys can see. And if I want it to be shrinked again, I can go in the end and just like, drag it just like this. I can keep on dragging it until I'm like that, the place where I want it to be. So I want the music to appear in the middle of the video. I don't want it to appear at the end. Just like this, I have selected the music. Now I can export the video, and my video's music will start in 4 seconds and end in about 12 seconds. And after that, at the end, there will be no music, and at the intro, there will be no music. But if I want the music to be in the intro as well, I can just extend the music. And remember, you can add multiple music, you don't have to worry about it, alright? And you can also split the music. You can click on split at the bottom, and you can split the music just like this. Now we have two music, one over here, one over here. It's the same music, but we just splitted it, so don't worry about it, alright? How you guys can add text on your CapCut. First, I will click on new project because I want to open up a new project, and I will select a video in order to edit that video. So once you select the video, click on add at the bottom, and now you're at the place where you guys can edit the video. So today we want to add text. So in order to add text, at the bottom you can see this option called text. So before clicking on that option, first slide and see in which part you want to add the text. So I want to add text in this part of the video. So I slide to that part and click on text at the bottom. Now over here, once I do that, it's going to show me all these options. So the first option where it says A+, you want to click on it. Once you do that, you can add text just like this. And over here, you can write whatever you want. So I'm going to write subscribe over here. And once you write the text, you can even go on style, effect, animation to choose what kind of animation, styles, or effect you want. So let's say I want another style. I will click on style, and from all this list I can choose. So I will go for this style. Once you choose the style, you can click on the tick mark right at the top. And as you guys can see, the text has been added. At the bottom, you can see this little, orange icon right below my video timeline. That's the text timeline. I can shrink it like this, or I can extend it like this. But I want the text to appear for a small amount of time, so I will shrink it. And this is how my text is going to appear on my video now. Just like this, the text will appear and it'll disappear. If I want to make the text appear for a longer time, I will just stretch the timeline and the text will appear for a really long time. So that's how you guys can add text on CapCut. How you guys can add a background on CapCut. First step, I will click on new project because I want to open a new project. And I'm going to select a video first. So this is the video I'm going to select. Click on add. Now this video has been added. Now if I want to add another background for this video or use this video as a background, so I want to use this video as a background for my another video. So that is why I selected this video first, alright? Now what I can do is at the bottom you can see this overlay button. Click on overlay and click on add overlay. Now whatever video you choose now, it's going to be placed on top of the video. So for an example, let's say I choose this video. I click on add. As you guys can see, the background of the video is the bottle video and this video is the main video at the top. If I want to resize the video, what I can do is click on the video at the timeline. So for us, it's the second timeline. I click on the second timeline. And now as you guys can see, there's a little, bluish border in the video. I can zoom it to make this video big, or I can zoom it out to make this video small. Just like this over here. Now I want this video to be small because I want the other video to be seen as a background. So just like this, I have added a background in my video. Now as you guys can see, this is how my video is going to look like if I start playing it. So yeah, that is how you guys can add a background on your CapCut. It's that simple. You just have to select the first video which you want to be background. Then you have to select the second video which is going to be above your first video, just like this. So first select your background, then select your foreground if you want to not get confused. How you guys can add flash on CapCut. So it's pretty simple to add flash on your video. First we click on new project because we want to open up a new project. So I want to add flash on this video. So I will choose it and click on add. And once the video is added, what I need to do is at the bottom, you can see this option called overlay. Click on overlay. Once you click on overlay, it's going to show you the add overlay button at the bottom. You want to click on it. And at the top, you can see the stock video option. You want to go on stock video. And on stock video, you want to choose the white one, which is the third option. Click on it and add. Once you add it, the white thing will come up over here. Make sure it's full screen by zooming it just like this. Once it's completely zoomed in, at the bottom you can see the timeline over here of the white one. What you want to do is make it small. So I want the flash to appear 3 times. So I made it small and I click on split. Once I do that, the first video has been split into 2 parts. Now if I do it one more time, it's going to be split into 3 parts. First part, the second part, the third part. I want the flash to be real quick, so I'm going to shrink it real small, just like this. And for the other one as well, I'm going to shrink it as time like this. For this as well, I'm going to shrink it. So make sure it's really small because flashes are really quick, alright? So you don't want the flash to be for really long. So this is basically how fast I want my flash to be. So what I'm going to do is click on the white box. As you guys can see, one of the white boxes selected. I'm going to click on animation and click on where it says out and choose fade out and click on the tick at the bottom. And for the first one, the flash has been added just like this. Now do the same for the other one. Click the first white box, go on animation, go on out, choose fade out and click on the tick mark. And for this one as well, we have added fade, as you guys can see. Now for the last one, the same. Click on the clip, click on animations, click on out at the top, go on fade out, click on the tick at the bottom. And just like this, you have added, the flash effect on your video on CapCut. How you guys can add beat on CapCut. Now in order to add beats on CapCut, first you need to open up a project. Now you can go into your old project, but I will create a new one. So I will click on new project and then choose videos for editing. So I will choose these videos which I already have on my phone. So I will click on add at the bottom. Now once you open up a project like this, what you want to do is click on audio at the bottom. Once you do this, click on sounds. Now you can also add your own music or you can choose a music from TikTok. So I will go on beats and I will choose a random beat. I will choose the first one. So in order to add the beat, you need to click on this little download icon right beside the music. So I will choose this and I will click on this little download button and I will click on plus. Now this music has been added over here, as you guys can see. Now once you add music on your video, what you want to do is click on the edit button at the bottom left. Once you're in edit, scroll to the left until you see this option called beats. Once you see beats, click on it. Now once you're inside beat, you can click on auto generate. And what it's going to do is it's going to find the beat on the music and align the video according to the beat on that music automatically. Now once you add beats, it's going to show up like this. As you guys can see at the bottom, the yellow dot, those are beats. Now if you don't want to auto add the beats, you can just scroll and click on add beat and a beat will be added just like this, as you guys can see. And if you want to delete a beat, just scroll to the beat you want to delete. Once it says, delete beat, click on it and the beat will be deleted. So that's how we guys can delete and apply beat. Now click on the tick mark at the bottom right and your beat will be added. How you guys can apply blur on your CapCut app. First thing first, you want to click on new project to open up a new project. So I'm going to choose my first video over here because this is the video I want to add a blur on. So I click on add at the bottom. So as you guys can see, this is the video that has been added over here. Now in order to add blur, you need to have more than 2 videos. So what I can do is I can click on plus over here at the side and add another video. So I will do that and click on add. Now once I have 2 videos, as you guys can see, the minus over here in the between, separates these 2 videos. I have 2 videos with me now. Now what I can do is at the bottom left corner, you can see the edit button. Click on edit. Once you're over here, scroll at the side until you see blur. So if you keep on scrolling to the side, you will definitely see a blur icon. So once you see motion blur, click on it. Now it's pretty simple. You want to scroll where it says blur to choose how much blur you want. So I want 100% blur and how much you want it to be blended. So I want it to be blended 50%. Now you can play around with this slider. You can choose how much blur, how much blend you want with the blur. This is okay for me. I will click on the tick and it's going to start adding the blur on my video. So it's also called motion blur, and just like this, it's added. So as you guys can see, this is basically what the blur is going to look like. I'm going to play it. As you guys can see over here, boom. See the little, slow thing happening over here? Boom, blur transition. So that's basically how you guys can add blur on your, CapCut.
How to use TikTok templates in CapCut. To use TikTok templates, you don't need any third-party applications. You can find tons of templates on the platform of TikTok itself. So open up your TikTok and in the search bar, search for CapCut templates. Now as soon as you do that, you can see all of these videos are made with CapCut with TikTok templates. You can easily swipe and find the one that you like. And if you want to use it on your videos, you can tap on this try this template and tap on use template in CapCut. Now after you do that, that particular template will open up on your CapCut app. If you have your CapCut installed on your device, it will directly open up on the app and you can easily use that template for any of your videos. And how to find CapCut templates. Before you use the CapCut template, make sure that you have the CapCut app installed on your phone. So basically there are two ways that you can use them. First is through the website. Open up your web browser and search for CapCut template, and you can see all of these results. You can open up any of them and you'll be able to view the latest CapCut templates which are trending. You can tap on any one of them and you'll have an option of use template in CapCut. You can tap on this option and the CapCut app will open up and you can immediately choose a video and the template will be also added to your video. That's the first way, and the second way is through the app of TikTok. Open up your app and similarly on the top you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and search for CapCut template. Once you do, different kinds of templates that people are using right now will be showing. It's also going to show you other results similar to the one that you entered. You can also tap on any of these and use the trending templates. Tap on any of the templates that you like, and on the top side of the template you'll see CapCut. You can tap on this option and it's going to say open CapCut. Tap on it and you can use that template easily on your videos.
How you guys can fix your CapCut's no internet connection problem. Now let's say you want to use CapCut. Now you don't need internet to use CapCut. It's a video editing software. So without Wi-Fi as well you can edit your video. But let's say you want to sign up into your account and use the online features of CapCut. For that you need internet. But let's say whenever you try to do that, CapCut says like internet connection problem. The first reason could be a slow internet connection, so make sure to check your internet. If it is slow and unstable, then that's your internet problem. You gotta change your internet or use data connection. The other thing you need to do is make sure to restart your phone. Sometimes due to a bug as well it causes this problem, so switch off your phone, turn it on again, it should work. If it still doesn't work, hold on your CapCut, click on app info. We're gonna be clearing all the data of CapCut, so all the things like all of the project which is stored on your CapCut is going to be deleted once you do this, alright? But if nothing works, this is the only best option that's going to work. Click on storage after coming over here, click on clear data, click on OK. What this is going to do is this is going to clear all the data after CapCut, and once you open CapCut it's going to be brand new. All of your projects are going to be deleted, so you got to keep that in mind if you're ready to do this step or not. After you do this, you can use CapCut, but if it still doesn't work, the other thing you can do is delete your CapCut and reinstall it again and it should work, alright? So yeah, these are the way on how you guys can fix your CapCut no internet connection problem.
How to fix audio and remove background sound in CapCut. So let's quickly open up CapCut and tap on new project and import in the video. Once you've added the video, tap on the video and on the bottom you'll need to swipe left until you see an option or a tool of reduce noise. Tap on this option and then toggle this option on, and the noise reduction process will start within the CapCut app. If your video is long, then it might take a few more seconds, and after the process is complete you can try to check. You can see the background noise will be removed from your video. You can do the same process if you only have the audio, and you can also remove the background noise within the app of CapCut. How to create boat effect video on TikTok. You must have seen the boat effect video that a lot of people are posting nowadays. You can also do the same for your videos. For that you will need to download an application of CapCut, because the boat effect is a template of CapCut. You can easily find this application on both the App Store and the Play Store. Go ahead and download this application. Once the app has been downloaded, you can now open up TikTok. Once you open up your TikTok, tap on the search bar on the top and search for boat effect. Once you do, all of these videos will open up where people are using the boat effect. You can tap on any of the videos, and in some videos may or may not have the template. You just need to keep scrolling and you'll see an option of CapCut, try this template. You just tap on this option and it's going to take you to a different screen. Tap on use template in CapCut. Now it's going to open up the CapCut app. Again, tap on use template and then select the photo that you want to add in. Tap on the photo and tap on preview. and as you can see, the boat effect now has been successfully added, and the photo that you selected will be added to the boat. If you like what you see, you can tap on export on the top right and the video will be exported to your phone.
How you guys can do a slow motion on CapCut, which means how you guys can like reduce the speed of your video. First step, you want to click on new project because we want to create a new project, but you can also go inside your older one if you want to edit your old video. So I will just choose a random video from my gallery and click on add. So let's say I want to slow this video down. This video is too fast for me, as you guys can see. What I can do is click on edit at the bottom left. Once you click on edit, you can see this option called speed. It's going to be the second option. From speed, you can even make your video fast or slow. So it's slow-mo, so we obviously want to make it slow. So we will click on speed. Once we click on speed, we want to go on this option called normal. And on normal, you guys can see over here, if you drag this slider forward, your video will be fast. And if you drag this slider backward, your video will be slow. So how slow you want a video, that back you want to go. So 1x means your normal speed. So we want to go back and we want it to be slow 0.5x. So this is how slow our video is going to be. So I want it to be more slower than this, which means I'm going to just take this slider at the end. This is how slow my video is going to be, as you guys can see. It looks like a picture, but it's because my video is slow. So you want to choose how slow you want your video to be and just click on the tick mark at the bottom right. And that's how we guys can make your video slow or make your video fast. But in a way, that's how we guys can do a slow motion on CapCut. How we guys can try the CapCut trend on TikTok. First thing first, once you open TikTok at the top right, you can click on search. So at the search, you want to search for CapCut new trend template. Once you do that, it's going to show you all the trending video which uses CapCut. So the first one has 984k likes. That means it's probably trending. So what I can do is click on the video. Once I click on the video, you can see there's an option called CapCut, try this template. So basically you can just click on this and it's going to show you use template in CapCut. So yes, I want to do that. So I will click on use template in CapCut. And it's asking me to open CapCut. Now remember, to use the template, first you need to download the CapCut app, alright? So I have already downloaded the CapCut app on my mobile, so I will click on open. The app will automatically open up, just like this, as you guys can see. Now at the bottom right, you can see use template, click on use template, and it's asking me to select two videos, and it has to be more than 7 seconds and 4 seconds. So I will just choose two of my random videos over here, which is above 2 seconds. So I'm going to select my second video, this. And as you guys can see, two video has been selected. Now, since the template only needed two videos, two video has been selected. I can click on preview and the video should be created like this. As you guys can see, this is how the template has been automatically applied by CapCut. Now I can click on export at the top and this video will be exported. And I can basically upload it on TikTok or do anything I want with it. That's how we guys can try CapCut trend, which you find on TikTok. How we guys can reverse a video on CapCut, alright? Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? So to reverse clip on CapCut is pretty simple. Open CapCut and click on new project so you can start a new project. So I'm gonna choose this video over here. After I choose it, I'm gonna click on add at the bottom right corner of my screen. Once I do that, basically a clip is gonna be added on my CapCut, editing page timeline. Now I can edit my clip over here, but I just want to reverse it. So once you come over here on this page, the timeline on your CapCut, what you want to do is where it says add audio, you can see the little add audio. Right above that, you can see your video, right? That's called timeline. You want to click on that video. Once you click on your video, you're gonna get this little white, little border kind of thing. Once you see it at the bottom, you can see where it says split speed animation style, right? So on that bar, you want to swipe left. So keep swiping left until you see the reverse option. So once you see the reverse option over here, just like in my case, you can see the reverse option, click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna say reverse applied. Once reverse is applied on your video, it's pretty much done. You have just reversed your video. Now you can start playing your video. As you guys can see, my video is playing in reverse. So yeah, and after you do that, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a little arrow pointing at the top. Click on it and it's gonna export your video. And once your video completes exporting, you can upload it anywhere you want, or do anything you want with it. Alright, how you guys can edit your TikTok video using CapCut. Alright, so I've already created a video using TikTok's camera and it's saved in my gallery. So now I'm showing you guys how you guys can edit it using CapCut. First step, open CapCut and click on Resist New Project to start a new project and choose the video which you created from your TikTok. So I created this video from TikTok and I click on add. Now before moving forward from this video, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. Now over here right above add audio button, you can see our timeline. Now let's say you want to cut some part out of it. What you can do is scroll to the part which you want to cut, and at the bottom you can see this little button called edit. Click on it, and from over here you're gonna get tons of options. You can click on split to split your video as well, just like this, or you can even use speed to speed up your video. So let me just do this montage. It's gonna make my videos like this. So over here at the bottom there's just tons of effect. All right, you want to use, just click on the effect you want to use and CapCut will automatically put the effect over here. And if you want to mute your video audio, you can see mute clip audio. You can click on it, your video's audio clip will be muted like this. All right, so as you guys can see over here. And if you want to like export the video, which means let's say you finished editing and you want to take out the video, at the top you can see this little arrow button. Click on it and it's gonna export and it's gonna be saved on your gallery. Once it's saved on your gallery, you can post wherever you want. All right, so that's the basic gist of how you guys can edit your TikTok video using CapCut. How you guys can edit your CapCut in Android. Basically, if you think why you should update CapCut, because CapCut from time to time releases new features, and if you want to use those new features you need to update it. All right, so the easiest way to update on Android is go on Play Store, and on Play Store you want to search for CapCut. Over here on top, search CapCut. After you search for CapCut, if you see open over here, that means your CapCut is up to date. But if you see update over here instead of open, you want to click on the update button to update your CapCut. Once it finishes updating, you can open CapCut and use it again and enjoy its new features. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can update CapCut on Android.
How to do the 3D zoom photo effect on TikTok. So let's get started with the video now. So for this effect, you need to download an app called CapCut. So if first what you'll do is go to Play Store and you'll search for the CapCut app, and then you'll download the app CapCut Video Editor. I've already installed it. I need to update it, but I'll do that later. And you'll open up the app. So then you'll create a new project. You'll tap on the new project button, and then you'll upload the photos that you want to do the zoom effect with. So this effect can only be done with photos. So you upload the photos over here, and what you'll do is shorten the duration of each clip by using the toggle buttons over here to 1.6 seconds. So you shorten the duration of the clip of each photo, and then what you'll do is click on the edit button over here. You'll scroll and see this cube icon, the style. So you click on style and tap on style, and then scroll and find 3D Zoom Pro effect, and you apply this effect to each and every clip. So let me do that. So once you've applied the effect, as you can see, the length of the clips have again elongated. So you will shorten the duration of each clip again. So let me do that real quick. So it's easy to do that. You just toggle this scroll button, and then you have this ending button, ending like post-credit scene where you see this CapCut logo. You can delete this, and now if you play this video, as you can see the zoom effect very clearly, and then you can export this video. You can export it directly to TikTok, and you can enter the sound that you add the sound that you want. You'll tap on next, and you can use the hashtag 3D zoom effect, and then post the video. So this is how you do it, guys. It's very simple. I hope you can do this zoom effect now on your own, since this is a trend going on TikTok.
How you guys can link CapCut to TikTok. So if you have a TikTok account, then you can link CapCut to it so you guys can edit video and upload it to TikTok directly from CapCut. Now, first step after you open CapCut, you want to click on the Me at the bottom right. Once you click on Me, it's going to bring you to this page. Now the first option you can see where it says sign in with TikTok. Well, that's the option we want to click on because we want to link our account or like link CapCut with TikTok. So click on sign in with TikTok. And if you have a TikTok, app on your phone, it's going to show you this. So I'm just going to click on open since I already have a TikTok on my phone. Once I do that, my TikTok will automatically open up and it's going to show me this. Do I want to authorize it or not? So yes, I want to link it with my CapCut, so I will click on authorize. And once I do that, I need to click on open just like this and wait for some time. It's going to show you signing in. So it's asking me to choose my date of, I'm just going to enter a random one, but you enter a correct one, all right? So I'll click on confirm, and once my date of birth is confirmed, it's going to show me sign in successful. Just like this, my CapCut is now linked with TikTok, and it's as simple as that. So that's how you guys can link your CapCut to your TikTok account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video, which is going to be more related with CapCut. So stay tuned.